Hey, if you want to connect your Realme 11 5G with your gamepad, in this case I'm going to show you how it looks on the PS4 controller. So first of all, you will have to enable the Bluetooth connection. Basically just turn on the Bluetooth on your Realme 11 5G if you want to connect it by the wireless Bluetooth method. But in this video I'm going to show you how to do this wired. So in this case we'll have to open the settings, click on the search bar and type OTG. And we have to enable the OTG connection. So just click on the switcher and turn it on. Now you will have to connect the micro cable into your port if you are using the PS4 controller. And this second end, in my case, that's the USB-A. So to plug it into the Realme 11 5G, I will have to use this adapter. But if you have the USB-C end right here, you can plug it straight into your Realme 11 5G. But in my case, I have to plug it just like this, then connect it into the USB-C port. And now let's see if it actually works. So now I'm gonna bring it a little bit closer. And as you can see, it is working right now. I can navigate into the menu with this gamepad. Also, you can use this gamepad in this games that you are playing. For example, in the Devil May Cry, the Fortnite, PUBG, or wherever you are playing on this phone. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.